This is a room tour of Eucalyptus Building at the Ocean Club East Resort in Turks and Caicos, Providenciales, room 5201. It is a studio suite, a small room with a small balcony that's enclosed. You come in and the first thing you get in this door is the water heater and also the safe that's on the wall there. It is an adjoining room, so you see the other door there, fire extinguisher. It does come with a fridge with the freezer and ice maker. The sink is nice and deep. It has a toaster, coffee maker, looks like some coffee and stirs there, paper towels, nice little microwave. It also comes with some coffee filters, a little hot plate we'll be using to make breakfast, and a pot. Also comes with glassware, plates, everything that you need. This is empty, and a pitcher for ice. It also has a smoke detector. I did bring a carbon monoxide detector. They said you didn't need it, but I brought it anyway. But you can see they have the hot water tank and that, so you definitely wouldn't be a bad idea to bring a travel CO2 detector, because all of this is in your room here. It's just behind the closet. There's the ironing board. There's an iron. There is no luggage rack. I did ask them for one. There is not one. All the rooms are different. I guess they're individually owned. This is the bathroom. It does come with a small hair dryer. Toilet, tub, shower combo. Little artwork. And then here by the bed, there's a night light. This switch controls the room light in the kitchen, and then the little one behind the bed controls the fan in the room, the ceiling fan. The pillows are great. The bed was okay. Comes with TV. You can log into your YouTube, Netflix account. It does come with a table and 2 chairs. The chairs weren't the best. It looks like there's stains on this one. It does have a light, some more artwork. Lots of room in here. And then this little window that lets you get some air from the outside if you just turn that knob there. And then it does come with a patio. It has 2 sets of shades. I guess these are darkening shades. They could definitely use some new ones or a wash. They're kind of like vinyl and heavy. Maybe they keep the sun out to keep the room cooler. And then they come with these shades that you can pull. Here is the little balcony. All studio rooms overlook the parking lot. You can't get a studio room facing the ocean at either Ocean Club East or Ocean Club West. So this is the view in the morning. Again, this is Eucalyptus Building. It's halfway to the beach. And the beach bar. If you have breakfast facing this way, you can face the pool. Again, this is Ocean Club East in Providenciales, Turks and Caicos. Thanks for watching.